Hello everyone, welcome to Formigo Distribution Pvt Ltd. Meet the Yale Smart Doorbell. Make your gateway to a safer, smarter home. Let's make a quick unboxing. This package contains wireless doorbell, wall mount, connectors, Type-C cable, stickers, and manual. This sleek and stylish doorbell isn't just about looks. It's packed with cutting-edge technology designed to give you peace of mind. With real-time notifications, you'll know who's at your door, no matter where you are. Whether you're at work, running errands, or relaxing at home, the Yale Smart Doorbell keeps you connected. And if you pair it with a Yale Smart Lock, you can unlock your door remotely, making it easier than ever to manage deliveries, let in guests, or even grant access to trusted service providers. The Yale Smart Doorbell seamlessly integrates with your existing smart home ecosystem. Whether you're using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can control and monitor your doorbell with just your voice. This doorbell has a 2-megapixel camera and rechargeable built-in battery. It can be powered through both battery and 24-volt DC. Upgrade your home security today with the Yale Smart Doorbell. Thank you for watching. For more queries, contact us. Our experts will assist you.